In this video, we'll walk through how to build a selectable package, or a package where your customer makes the choices on what meals they get. So we'll start on the menu page, and we'll come to Add New and click Package. We'll go ahead and give this package a name. I'll just name it Test Selectable Package. You can give the package a description if you want, and we'll give it a price of $45. My base package size here is going to be 5 meals. So I'll then assign a category, and you can add this to any category you want. I made a category right at the top named packages. And now we'll move on to sizes. So in sizes, I'll have my 5 meals, and I'm also going to make a second one for 10 meals. And this will just be double the cost at $90. So now I have both of my sizes created and my prices set. So I just need to set the items. So I'll go to the Items tab and click Selectable Items, and now I'll do Add New Component. And in here, I'll do Choose Your Meals, minimum of 5, maximum of 5. You could skip over the pricing here and the pricing here. These are not important for this type of package. We're just going to want to make sure that the package size is correct, and then click Set Meals. So we'll come through and I'll make a couple of just random selections here. And then I'll go back and I'm going to create another component, and I'll name this the same thing, Choose Your Meals. This time it'll be my 10 and 10 for my minimum and my maximum. Again, skipping over the prices, and we're going to make sure that this package size is set to 10 meals. And now we'll set the meals for this. And again, I'm just going to come through and grab a couple of meals here. And technically, I'm now done. On the top right-hand corner, I could add an image to this package if I wanted to. And I'll go ahead and click the OK button. I'm going to give the page a quick refresh, go to my orders page and click Create Manual Order to look for that package. Okay, so here's the package. I'm going to click Select, and I'll click on 5 meals. And here we go, choose 5 meals, and I have my options here to choose 5 from. Or, of course, if I did choose 10 meals, I would have to choose up to 10. And once I click Add to Bag, it'll automatically add those meals that I selected into the bag. So now I'm going to rewind a little bit and show you how we could add some complexity to that package if you wanted. So I'll pull that package back up on my menu page. I'm going to go back to Items and back to Selectable. And I'm going to delete these components that I made. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to add a package component and say, Choose Your Lunch. And then I'm going to add another component for Choose Your Dinner. And I'm going to make this so it works with our 10 meal package. So I'm going to set the size to 10 meals for both. And I'll set a minimum and maximum of 5. And now I'll just go and set my meals like always. And I have to do that for both components. Okay, so now I'm going to just click OK as always, give the page a little refresh, and we're going to go check our menu. Now when I open this package, you're going to notice something very different. When I come to my 10 meal package, those components are now separated for me. Choose Your Lunch, and I'll choose 5, and Choose Your Dinner, and I'll choose another 5. So you could split this up any way that you want. It could be breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or like we did in the first example, where they're just choosing an overall amount of meals. It really comes down to whatever your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish.